Start up the OBA here. Locker's off. Onboard air's going. Gauge is climbing. This is just at idle. There's the belt. Going through the copper to keep it cool. Blow-off valve, so it bleeds the pressure in the head. Got the manifold set up over here, the filter. Then a gauge down for the ARB and a second blow-off. Gauge is sitting pretty steady. Can engage the ARB. We'll see if it works tomorrow. Put it up on the lift and see if the back tires both spin together. So when the compressor's on, this little red green light will light up. Let me know just in case I have a leak. It'll run for a long period of time. I can shut it off. And that was, well, my battery's about dead, but that was the first startup of my onboard air system, York compressed. And then there is a auxiliary input here with a Schrader valve, so I can get air from anybody on the trail. I have 3 open spots. Probably 2 of them will run to air chucks. And then I'd like to do a separate electric compressor with a secondary control device. So if the main York dies, I'll have electric compressor, and that's where the shut-off switch will go for that. That's my start of my compressor system.